Hey, it's Kyle from Midwest Aftermarket, and I'm sorry I'm a little emotional today. My buddy called me last night. He woke me up in the middle of the night. He was weeping. It took me forever to figure out why he was crying, and he finally told me what happened. So he went out to the bar. We've all been there, try to wet your whistle, huh? On a weekend night, and all of a sudden he finds a cute little honey, right? Oh my goodness, it's gonna be a fantastic time. No, it wasn't. Turns out she was short. She had tiny legs, okay? So they were feeling pretty good. They go out to the truck. He's gonna head home. He's only had a couple, okay? But she was feeling it. She had had a couple. They were ready to go. And what happened when he opened the passenger door to his truck? Her tiny little legs couldn't get up in the truck. She struggled, she fought to get up in that truck, but she couldn't. And what happened? What happened? It took her out of the mood. It took her out of the mood, so finally by the time she got up in the truck, she said, you know what? Just take me home. What's so unfortunate about all of this is it could have been avoided if my buddy just had the Westin Pro Traxx 4 stainless steel oval step bars. Oh, look at how sexy these things are today. We're going to unbox it, and hopefully there's going to be somebody out here watching this video that won't make the same mistake that my buddy did. No, sir, I say. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Oh, yeah, look at that. That is sexy on the inside. Oh, my gosh. Okay, so I'll tell you what. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy off here right now so we can take a look. Look at that, my friend. I'm talking about a 4-inch oval tube, 30-degree OE style bend, son. That is sexy. As a matter of fact, let's take the wrapping off here. Feels better when it's not covered up anyway, huh? Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at this. Let's turn this around for the camera. Woo! Oh my gosh, can you imagine if he would have had these on here? Man, that chick last night, she would have been in the mood regardless of if she could have gotten up in that truck, and she could have, because she would have had these awesome step bars. Now I know what you're thinking to yourself, hot dog, Kyle, that does look pretty sexy. I don't want to drill all over my truck to get these bad boys on there though. No! It's a bolt-on install. No drill required for most vehicles. Think about that, man. And I'm talking about a lifetime warranty on the stainless steel Pro Traxx 4. What? I'm serious about that. I'm not talking about some rinky-dink little warranty where, well, if you have it for a week and a half and it's on a Tuesday and it happens to be raining. No! Lifetime warranty. I don't mess around, okay? Now, it's also available in the powder-coated matte black finish, which is sexy and beautiful as well. And that has a 3-year warranty on that black finish. So you want the chrome with the lifetime, you want the black with the 3-year, whatever, they have got you covered, okay? So not only is it looking good, not only is it easy to install, not only is there an awesome warranty on these sweet steps, but next time you go out to a bar, whatever, and there's a vertically challenged person that can't get up in your truck, you're saving yourself the hassle. And trust me, you're going to thank me later. If you want to pick these up, you can do so at MidwestAftermarket.com, or as always, pick up the phone and give us a call. I am Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket, and we'll see you next time.